Hello, this is my seventh video, and I will talk about the chapter 11 about the risk management. And these are my notes, my mind map, and my notes. Okay, I will explain the first and second question. What is important in this reading and what is necessary to have in order to determine the risk in a project? Okay, first, something important is about the risk management. You have four options. You can avoid it, mitigate it, transfer it, and assume it. What is this? Okay, in the first avoid, you can to prevent or yes to prevent the risk by doing actions, preventive actions and corrections. The other one is to mitigate is that you have actions to make the risk uh, smaller, and the other option is to transfer it. You can buy an insurance or you can outsourcing. You can use this. And the other one is to assume the risk. This is when the if one of the other options is more expensive than to assume the risk. Okay. And the expected value is the probability times the cost. What is expected value? It is measured uh, by through parameters, and the probability is the probability that the risk will occur, and the cost is the impact or the severity on the objectives if the risk materializes. Okay, and what do we need to ensure just to determine the risk in a project? Okay, you have to measure the and understand from where comes the risk, and that allows us to generate preventive actions. Okay, and you have to focus on the most important things. For example, the I don't know, the risk comes, the 80% comes from X problem. You have to focus more on this, and by multiplying the probability times the cost, you can get how much is the risk that you can get. And also, you have to measure and observe the trends to get an idea from the risk that you could have in the project. Also, the an initiative from the project management office plus the management support, you can get success in the project. And you have to measure the essential things only. For example, the risk, the progress, the budget, and the quality of your actions. And the last one is what don't you understand and what do you want to know more about? I think that I understand almost everything. I think it is easy, but I want to know more about, for example, how to measure it, the risk, because I read about multiply the probability times the cost, but how can you um, measure the probability of the risk occurs in the project? I want to know more about that. And that's it.